ZOLL is pleased to announce the latest addition to our AED family, the ZOLL AED 3. Through extensive usability testing, we met with hundreds of trained and untrained users. Through their feedback, we developed the AED 3. It was clear from our studies, in order to help save more lives from sudden cardiac arrest, we must increase user confidence and help rescuers become more comfortable using AEDs. The AED 3 does just that by harnessing our proven proprietary technology of real CPR help and providing an AED solution for our customers that is easy to use, easy to own, and easy to maintain. So let's take a look at the new ZOLL AED. Every second matters when saving a life, so we took out the guesswork. Responders need the easiest possible AED to instill confidence. The ZOLL AED 3 is designed to do just that. It's easy to understand and easy to operate with a user-friendly interface. Large LCD display with more powerful images to show rescuers what to do at each step of the rescuer. Designed to lay flat or stand up, it will provide the best visibility to the rescuer with the optimal visibility to the screen. The AED 3 further simplifies the rescue by allowing you to treat both adults and children. ZOLL's CPR unipads can be used for both adult and children during a rescue. All you need to do is select the child button on the AED 3 and reposition the pads. Every patient requires high-quality chest compressions at the correct rate and depth. This is critical to circulate oxygenated blood to help improve shock success and survival. So, how do you know if you are providing high-quality CPR? ZOLL's Real CPR Help technology is the only AED solution to monitor your CPR quality and both show and tell you how you are doing in real time. The AED 3 guides rescuers with an easy-to-see compression depth indicator. The bar shows if the compressions are at the correct depth. It also provides audio feedback, telling you to push harder if your compressions are too shallow. If you are doing it correctly, it affirms that you are doing good compressions.
Good compression.
The constant audio guidance supports the rescuer to achieve 100 to 120 compressions per minute, and the new CPR cycle timer shows the time remaining to let the rescuer know how long before the next heart analysis begins. ZOLL's Real CPR Help has been shown to more than double a sudden cardiac arrest victim's chance of survival. I will now demonstrate the AED 3 so you can experience for yourself what makes it special. Let me start with Real CPR Help. As I go through this demo, please pay particular attention to the real-time feedback visuals as well as the accompanying voice and text prompts. I will now turn on the AED 3.
Unit OK. Stay calm. Check responsiveness. Call for help. Open airway. Check breathing. Adult patient selected. If patient is a child, press child button. Remove pad package. Cut or tear clothing to expose patient's bare chest.
With included scissors, you can cut away the patient's clothes.
Open pad package. Attach pads to patient's bare chest.
The illustrations on the display and electrodes show proper placement.
Attach pads to patient's bare chest. Attach pads to patient's bare chest. Don't touch patient analyzing. No shock advised. Start CPR. Push to match the tone.
The AED3 is monitoring and reminding me to start CPR. The clear bar gauge shows depth of compressions to constantly remind you how you are doing in real time.
Push harder. Push harder. Good compressions.
The AED3 provides an encouraging good compressions to let you know you are doing CPR correctly. If you stop CPR, it will remind you to
Continue CPR. Unit powering off.
That concludes the demonstration of real CPR help. Let's now talk about how the AED3 is easy to own. When investing in an AED, you need to look beyond initial price of the actual AED. The ZOLL AED3's total cost of ownership is one of the lowest in the industry once installed. It has the world's only 5-year universal CPR unipads, while most AED pads last only 2 years. The AED3 requires only one set of pads for adults and children. Its smart battery lasts up to 5 years. And it comes with up to an 8-year warranty coverage, which is among the best in the industry. All of this combined provides one of the lowest total costs of ownership in the industry. Let's now review how the ZOLL AED3 is easy to maintain. You buy an AED because you want to have the best chance to save a life. In order to do that, you must make sure your AED is rated to use at all times. ZOLL's PlusTrack program management system monitors each AED3 connected to Wi-Fi and automatically alerts you to anything that may affect rescue readiness. Whether you have one AED or 100 deployed across multiple locations, we have you covered. Here's how you can enjoy worry-free readiness. The AED3 is Wi-Fi enabled and has program management on board. The AED3 transmits its readiness status, pad expiration data, and battery power level directly to your PlusTrack program management account. If your AED fails any self-test, pads are near expiration, or battery needs to be replaced, it will send you an alert. PlusTrack greatly reduces the effort and expense of managing an AED program while increasing your program's readiness and effectiveness. Let's recap the ZOLL difference and why the AED3 provides the most advanced solution to help save more lives. The ZOLL AED3 is easy to use, with improved real CPR help, including the most intelligent CPR technology, a large LCD display with powerful images and audio to guide the untrained rescuer, and integrated pediatric rescue. It's easy to own, with the lowest total cost of ownership, and it's easy to maintain. PlusTrack program management on board ensures your AED is ready for the next rescue. Thank you. This concludes the ZOLL AED3 demo.